Pass cleanly. Be courteous to your fellow racer.
Thank you. That was nice.
job.
That was nice.
Very good job.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at Gallipo Center for the last race of the 2024-2025 season. So we're doing a trophy race for our last event. We've had a lot of entries, a lot of fun today. We're just done our 3 qualifiers. We're heading out into the mains. First thing I'm going to go up in is in USGT. This is the first time I've driven this car here. This is the Express XQ11. You saw this car, if you watch my videos, you saw this car run on black carpet. This is the first time I've ever run this car on gray carpet. The only changes that I made was I took out a top deck screw and I took out a bottom screw from the motor mount area just to give it a little bit more flex, as well as I have been running the non-belted USGT tire, because today is the very last day that we're going to be allowed to do that here before we update our rules for next year, where we're going to require belted tire in USGT, as far as I know. We're also doing tech today. I'm fully teched, fully passed, ready to go. We're going out in USGT. I believe I'm starting in top 3 or 4 in the AMAIN. USGT, they're just printing the sheets up right now, starting the mains. Definitely in the AMAIN. We're going to see if we can get a podium finish in USGT. All right, here we go, USGT.
So up for photos is Guy, Alex, and John. All right, where's our marshals? 2, 3, 4, perfect. 5. All right, track's open. Watch out for JJ there, you're clear.
John K.
Okay, practice laps.
Darcy.
So I qualified better than I remembered. I will be starting P2 in the AMAIN.
Remember, there's no money involved, just pretty trophies.
Car feels good.
All right, line them up. It's going to be Jake number 1, John number 2. Gary, can you line them up? Please and thank you. Jake, John, Adam, Darcy,
All right.
and Dean. This is the A group. As my voice cracks because I'm so excited. The sound of the tone, everybody goes, good luck. Careful on the straight, careful on the straight. Go outside on the sweep, you're clear.
Holding on to 2 pretty well here. He's a lot faster than me on the straight though.
Jake in the lead, followed by John, Adam, Dean, and Darcy. Hot lap so far. 9.28 by Jake, a 9.35 by Mr. Kennedy, a 9.83 by Adam, a 10.15 by Dean, a 9.92 by Darcy. Closest race is first and second. Jake to John is 0.7 gap. Inside on the straight, inside on the straight. Inside on the straight, you're clear. Pass cleanly. Be courteous to your fellow racer.
Thank you. That was nice. That was nice.
Very good job.
Get him, John. Get him.
Caution in the center. Good job. Clear. Jake to John is extended to 0.99. John to Adam, 7.5 or 6.5. Adam to Dean, 11.7. Dean to Darcy, 4.2. Jake is extending. Oh, John's catching 0.5 gap now. Come on, John. Gap was down to 0.3, now it's back to 1.3. He can make it up though, he's got a faster car.
Now I'm crunchy. Oh, I'm not gonna make it.
You're looking for trouble? You come to the right place.
I got a noise now.
2:25 left on the clock. Jake, John, Adam, Dean, and Darcy is your race order.
Oh, I hope it lasts. And you gotta make it through the end.
Jake's opening up that lead by 0.4 seconds every lap.
Yeah, I gotta let, oh, sorry. I gotta let off and not brake now. I'm gonna chew off all the teeth on my spur, I think.
Ooh.
Body check, Chris.
John's car got a problem. Careful on the sweeper exit here, open this side, stay inside, we're clear. Sounds like a drive shaft. It can do it.
It can do it.
1 minute 30 to go. Jake,
Oh, that's a
John,
long time.
Adam, Dean, and Darcy. Jake to John, 4.27. John to Adam, 15. Adam to Dean, 12. Dean to Darcy, 16. One minute. Good job passing, good job. Seconds left on the clock.
Oh, I just need to get her home. 30 more seconds.
Group 1, 2, and 3 from the last heat need to finish their marshalling and go up for pictures.
Oh, no, it's going to lose it.
20 seconds.
Ah, sorry.
Outside, inside on the straight, outside
That's
on
it.
the straight.
That's it.
Oh boy, Jake's in trouble. There he goes, he's clear.
Come on, John.
No.
John, keep going, buddy. You got 10 seconds.
No.
Oh no! Marshall.
Yeah, you're going to push me across?
Oh, John, just no luck, buddy.
Jake done. Darcy done.
Bah! That was a good race. The spur needed 30 more seconds.
Adam Swan done. All
All right.
drivers are finished.
I know. I know.
Still finished third.
Did I really? Yes! Whoa! Podium! I did it! All right, thank you. Yeah. Good job. Oh, I thought for sure I got last. Oh, still third. That's great. Nice. Enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you're new here. Subscribe. You want to talk to me? Leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.